See her healing, so we ought to do it when she's healing.
Don't hit him yet. Okay.
Sorry. Come back here, kitty.
He's mine.
Oh, yeah, he is. Oh,
I
there
got
it is.
excited.
Told you I like the tank on a warrior.
Mm.
Cat, if you want to charge the 4 on the right, go for it.
Those
I'll
4?
freaking freeze them. Let's try Scott's healing out.
Let me do the 2 on the left.
Why don't you take all 6 of them and go get the boss?
Yeah. Scott would do that.
Yeah.
I don't know why you can't do that. Oh, shit.
There you go.
There we go.
That one guy in the back may run and leave me, so be warned.
I got him frozen.
Got him. He's dead.
They're good.
You got rage, go for him.
I do. I have a lot of rage. I'm full.
Yeah, you're full, so be my guest.
Oh, you moved. That's cheating.
Yeah.
I think the speakers are up. Let me turn them down.
Strength, agility. Oh, I want that on my. I want that on her.
Oh, go grab it. Or
I'm
anything
going
on
to
here?
pass you decide which one.
I want to.
Yep, take her over there and get it.
It came up. The guy up in the thing really hits hard, so I don't want to necessarily take all 4 on poor Scott.
Yeah.
Okay.
Just take it all. Run down the alleyway and get them all.
No, let's not. Okay. I did get the other technician, though.
Will that work?
I can't see who's sheeped or whatever, so I'm just.
Oh, just kill.
Good.
Don't worry. Just kill everything.
We're going to get the pat.
Mm-hmm.
Are you ready?
Mm-hmm.
Ready?
I'm at 90% mana. You are quite literally taking like jack crap for damage.
I used to tank these all the time.
Mm-hmm.
And
I'm using Earth Shield and
Okay.
Riptide. That's it. You got them? Good.
Yep.
Nice. Keith's all done. How many do I have? I've got 8 out of 10.
Over there, Cat.
I'm just clicking on blinkies. You did
8,
send
9,
the
and
group, right? Or I've
Yes.
been
No, it's on
managing
a
everything.
group loop. You are correct.
It's is it Group? Yeah. Well,
Yeah.
okay, cool.
It's proper.
Okay, good. So I don't. So I
No.
definitely have to pick all the shinies. Okay.
Yes.
I hadn't been paying attention.
Mm.
I was picking the shinies when everybody left. Everybody left. There was a shiny sitting there, so I'd go over and get it.
Right.
All right. You want to grab that group right there and grab the other group up the alleyway and go get the boss? There's no challenge in this yet.
Sorry.
Yeah,
I'm stunned, so.
that's fine. They're dead.
Just stay standing there. Then.
You do happen to have a 74 hunter here kicking ass.
I know.
So,
I'm trying.
not to mention the mage can, at level 80 can kind of do a little bit of damage.
Yeah, just a little.
Yeah, but you guys aren't
So I said
killing
just
ag on me
keep
terribly.
going.
Not feeling like I'm
No.
dying.
We're being cautious.
Scott, we don't care. We pull off, you know.
Well, yeah, exactly.
You gotta
Aw.
keep Scott guessing.
Yep.
I feel special.
Go, go, go.
Good.
Hold on. I have 2 tunes. I was being smart, doing my little thingy.
My rage went down.
Yeah, what the
You
hell?
don't have rage.
Oh, I got a lot of rage.
That's what she said.
Oh shit! I've been freaking knocked out.
Oh no.
Wait.
There we go.
Make sure Cat looks at that
What?
plate.
Oh, I'm just greeting everything. And I'm done with that quest. Nice. What's this? Just cash.
I'll check on that in a second. See, oh boy,
Okay.
Greg.
Oh, I actually got aggro. Oh, because you hadn't picked everybody else up.
I hadn't
How the hell
touched
did I
them.
get aggro? You hadn't
Greg
picked up-
touched him.
That's fine.
I did my freeze too close to the other guys.
There's a bomb over there. Watch out for the bomb.
Yeah. Look at this. I actually need to sit down. I have one. I've been playing too, but of the owl.
Oh.
It's intellect, isn't it? Yes, it is.
If I was holy, that would be huge. But I'm
Yeah,
not
intellect
holy.
and spirit. Yeah.
Oh, the
Sorry, I'm
intellect
picking
and
up
the
stuff.
spirit.
Yeah.
Yeah. Again, if I was holy, it would be great.
You got that good.
Have you seen, Keith, that all the gear you're getting for the hunter lacks mana or intellect and all that? You're going to find it being a problem, actually. You have to take one piece of gear that's meant for like a chamois and
Yeah.
integrate it like boots or gloves. You're going to
Mhm.
have to. Otherwise, you'll never have enough mana. You'll constantly be in trouble.
Yep.
Well, since somebody told me about the Eye of the Riper,
Yeah.
was that you or me that stepped on it, Zook?
I don't know. I didn't even see it. I was too busy looking around the
We
corner.
were standing next to each other, so we both got it.
Yep. Like, damn it.
Yeah, that switching back and forth, just do it whenever you're done battling, and you can
Yep.
even battle while doing it. Makes it easy. You want the text on the left?
Sure.
Go for it.
You want the pat while they're coming?
Yeah, they're gonna
Take all
close.
7 of them?
Yeah.
You guys up for it?
I am.
Okay.
I haven't complained yet.
Well, I lost a tick.
I
Yeah, he
got
came at me.
down.
He came at me. I hit you a little too hard with a heel. Yeah, one of my heels critted, so he came right for me.
Sorry, did we take them down too quick?
It definitely crushed him.
Yep.
All right.
Cat, you think you can go to the ones on the left and then run over to the right?
No, because there's 3 distance guys. They won't follow me that far. We're gonna have to do 1 and 2.
Okay.
I would for the people, but the range
I
guys.
have my silencing shot.
But that would only be good for 1, not
And then
2.
I got my silencing.
All right, we'll try it. So the 2 technicians may or may not follow me. You'll have on the left, and you'll have to pull them over.
Okay, Scott, Keith, I got the opposite one that you marked.
Okay. That's a good thing.
Okay, whenever you're ready, Cat. They're following you, and I didn't even silence them.
Nice.
Jumping into water.
Mm-hmm.
You know one of these tankers was in
Ow!
the campaign.
You had to be a bad boy.
Who, me or him?
Him.
Get mana up, get buffs up, get ready.
Pissed me off. I want to skin him now.
I know. He had to come after you, didn't he? Didn't he?
Are you ready for the lever to be pulled?
I am.
It is.
Especially since I still have rage. Although
Oh,
I
shit,
probably
hold
won't
on.
by the time he gets here.
I think that's
Damn it.
Yep, you're on your chicky poo.
I got him
Oh,
locked.
God.
No, these are real people. These are real people.
I'm like, they're on your chicky poo.
Should be left.
Yep.
Get him.
They go right for the weakling. You notice that?
Yeah, I did.
This thing is the
Should be the right side.
Yeah, bounce back and forth.
magazine and this 2 tab.
This is a dungeon made for a warrior. Just go,
Yes.
go, 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 go. You got the one more over there.
Bro, this thing 1 tab.
You, buddy, you went to the wrong spot.
Can I have that? 'Cause that
Ooh,
was
okay.
my kill.
Hey. Now for handsome.
I'm right here.
Can't hold him for a second. Let me get mana back. Okay, here I come.
Oh, here, hang on. Here,
What?
there you go.
Our friend is online.
Just stay right where you are and you'll get mana back.
You're trying to free?
We won't need it, I don't think.
No, God, no. Dead. 21 and a half
Wait, are you running?
quarter seconds. Sorry, 21 and a quarter seconds.
Leather.
You're on a bullet, right?
Reading.
Green.
Bro, this thing is so good.
All right, I gotta make sure
This is
Cat doesn't have anything to pick up. Yes, she does.
5 per bullet.
No, I don't see any rogues over on the right.
That is really weak.
Good.
Damn, 45 minutes already went by.
Yeah, I'm following you, Keith.
Okay.
We already had quite a few rogues, so I wouldn't be surprised if there's
What does
anything.
dog tags give you?
All right.
I'll just make wide turns like this so she's always behind me,
You ready?
behind the fight.
They were prepared, by the way. Bro, let's.
Keep going, Cam.
I am.
Oh, yeah, just keep going. As long as you got rage, just go, go, go.
Don't worry about us.
Go for the next one.
How did I take damage?
Not going to take the other two?
No, I don't want to accidentally pull the little guy right behind him.
Go for the next guys. Oh shit, I didn't even see the rogue.
He's dead.
Should I keep my should I keep this gun or not? This gun I'm holding right now. That demolished something.
Come on, you little stinker.
I'm keeping this. This demolished.
All right, you need to check on your beeper.
Yes, give me 30 seconds to go
Yep.
flip it again.
Yeah, no
That's fine.
problem.
I can
Take
pick
your
up
time.
stuff anyways.
Take your
You're
time.
taking Cat away from me because she disappeared.
I did. I went to go pick up stuff.
Yep.
I have a habit of doing that. Everyone's buff still up? Oh, yeah, mostly.
We're on highway, so we should go 75. Go 75. The show camera get to 40. That's what she said. This is all train, I think.
Mhm.
Can I have the loot? It won't even let me
Okay, I'm back.
Okay.
Come back.
take precision. Take precision.
I'm going for the big guy in the middle.
Be my guest. Grab the whole room.
Coming in
Where
over
are
with
you?
you. Oh, these guys won't freaking pull.
I'll go left. I got the boss and the 2 left.
Yeah, just kill everything.
Yeah.
They're gonna
My
just shoot
circle
everybody.
isn't big enough to hit them all, so if he blizzard right, I was gonna
Yep.
follow
They
left.
freaking set my mana down.
Should be.
You didn't
There's
have a lot of
usually a
mana.
rogue over here somewhere. There he is.
You found him?
Yep. Blink. There you go. Wait, there's usually a rogue in that corner. Ooh.
Oh,
Plate.
Ooh,
Pally plate.
BOE. Just
that is
grab it.
pally plate.
Yep. Need it on your little pelly if you need it.
You said need it?
9 cents?
Nice.
You guys even see the target dummy? They gotta put.
Yeah, I know. Plate with mana regen on it. Oh my god.
Sounds like Pink is jealous.
A little. Hey, flip your aspect. Get your mana back.
You can.
Ha ha ha.
Eh, we don't need no stinking mana.
Mm-mm.
Pulling him up here.
All you guys have to do is stand still.
Oh, it says refill. Don't.
And if you keep them locked in place, they won't charge. Oh shit.
There is a buy station.
Or if you just kill him fast enough.
There.
There's that too.
Or if you stack on the tank.
You want to get the one that's really.
Ah, stupid. Wrong one.
Are you ready for possible uglies?
Grab it. Grab it all.
Grab it all.
I have water.
Go from one, go right to the other. Just go ahead and grab them all.
I lost someone.
Yeah, he came at me.
Okay. I got the caster behind you, and Zuki's taking the big guy.
Yep,
Okay.
I got him. I'm
Help
tanking
the
him.
big guy.
I'm tanking him.
Is it
It's
supposed
fine.
to be an old train?
Oh, look at that. I'm getting 146 XP a kill here.
Well, it is now.
Nice. Boom. See that? Nice and easy.
No problem.
Ah. He's
It'd
not
definitely
taking
be behind.
not taking crap for damage, and
In a building, in a building.
uh-oh.
We have people who have to fully investigate, don't we?
Yeah, but just as long as they walk in, it's
Mhm.
Yep.
hey, Kat, I know you don't like this. Keith, can you misdirect that skull onto Kat and have her stand around the corner right here?
Mhm.
I can. I need to try it again. I click on him, then I click misdirect, and then I click cat.
Yes.
Nope. Click on cat, misdirect, then click on him.
Mhm.
You're misdirecting to me. Now shoot him.
With
Yep.
what?
Anything, just shoot him.
Oh,
Kat,
You have
don't stand
20
there.
seconds.
Come around the corner. Come around the corner by me.
I was gonna have to shoot him in case.
Mhm.
Ah, you did it to the wrong tune. That's
Hold
all
on, I'll
right.
lock them in place.
that's the one he said to do.
I know he did.
He said cat.
He said cat. He did. He did. He said just that.
Yeah, but that means you.
That's all right. They're almost all dead.
Oh yeah, no worries.
Boss,
Then what
you
did I
need to fight the boss.
misunderstand?
Run away from the boss if you get hit with the boss.
He won't leave me.
Mm-mm.
I got him now.
Don't worry, nobody's dying on my watch.
Except for Keith.
Well, yeah.
Jet, watch it.
But that is exactly, you did just right. Because you can tell if you did it right, because the moment they turn around, they go straight for the
Yay,
person
we
you
got the
misdirected
achievement.
to.
Yay.
Thank you. I
We got
needed
the
that.
achievement.
Aw,
Fluffy.
those are such pretty ones too.
Breeding. We need to. No, we don't need to loot anything, do we? Nope.
No.
Nope, it was just find the place. That's right. Okay, cool.
Okay, we went no because you guys got to go to honor hold.
Yep. Yep, we're gonna go on a whole turn these 2 quests in.
Thank you very much, guys.
It's like 6 gold a quest and 12,000 XP. Why not?
If we're here, do you want to do the